The upcoming Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be one of Google's most exciting smartphone launches yet. According to new leaks, not only are we getting major upgrades under the hood, but we're also getting a fresh palette of color options for each model. Whether you're eyeing the base Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, or the premium Pixel 10 Pro XL, there's a lot to look forward to. Let's begin with the base model, the Pixel 10. According to a leak posted by Mystic Leaks on Telegram, this device will come in 4 vibrant colors. First, there's Obsidian, which is your classic black. Then we have blue, a deep and cool hue that's bound to appeal to those who like a clean, minimal look. Next is Iris, a striking purple shade that brings a bold touch of personality to the phone. And finally, Limoncello, a lively yellow color that's sure to stand out. These color choices suggest Google is catering to a wide variety of tastes, from the subtle and professional to the fun and expressive. Moving up the ladder, the Pixel 10 Pro and the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL will be available in a different set of color options. According to the same source, we can expect Obsidian once again for those who prefer the timeless black look. But there's also green, a rich, nature-inspired tone that gives the phone a fresh vibe. Then there's sterling, a sleek and stylish gray that will likely appeal to business users or those looking for a more sophisticated feel. And last but not least, porcelain, a clean white finish that adds a touch of elegance to the Pro models. Beyond colors, the Pixel 10 series will also be breaking new ground in terms of performance. For the first time ever, Google is using a fully custom-designed application processor, the Tensor G5. This chip marks a major milestone for Google, as it no longer relies on Samsung's Exynos-based architecture. That's right, the Tensor G5 is completely designed by Google and will be manufactured by TSMC using their latest third-generation 3nm process node known as N3P. That alone makes the Pixel 10 a worthy upgrade. A Google-designed chip built on TSMC's advanced node means better performance, higher efficiency, and potentially fewer thermal issues. Also, past Tensor chips relied on Samsung's 5G modem, but this year, Google is switching to a MediaTek modem, another sign that Google is reshaping the Pixel from the inside out. This move should allow Google to integrate more unique, Pixel-exclusive features directly into the silicon, something that could give it a real edge against Apple's iPhones and Samsung's Galaxy S series. In short, the Pixel 10 isn't just another yearly update, it's the beginning of a new chapter. And there's more good news for Pixel fans. The Pixel 10 series is expected to ship with Android 16 right out of the box, and it's rumored to receive a total of 7 Android system updates. That means your Pixel 10 could be running Android 23 several years from now. Excellent news for long-term buyers who value security and feature updates. As for pricing, Google seems to be sticking with last year's structure, at least for the main models. The base Pixel 10 is expected to start at $7,999, which is the same as the Pixel 9. The Pixel 10 Pro should start at $9,999, while the Pro XL may begin at $1,199. That's $100 more than the Pixel 9 Pro XL, but with all the upgrades, the slight bump might be justified. Interestingly, if you're considering a foldable device, this might be the year to make the switch. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is rumored to come with a significant price cut. Last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold started at a hefty $1,199, but this year, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could launch at $1,599. That's a $200 price drop, which could attract more users to try Google's foldable experience. To sum it all up, the Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be one of the most refined and thoughtfully designed lineups we've seen from Google. With a powerful new Tensor G5 chip, a shift away from Samsung's components, a new partnership with TSMC and MediaTek, and vibrant color options, the Pixel 10 phones promise both substance and style. And if the leak is accurate, the color choices alone may tempt you to upgrade. From classic black and sophisticated gray to bright yellow and bold purple, there's truly something for everyone. Keep an eye out for Google's official Pixel 10 launch event, which could happen as early as August, with pre-orders possibly starting the very same day. Whether you're a loyal Pixel user or someone thinking about making the jump from iPhone or Galaxy, this year's lineup may finally be the one that convinces you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like share, and subscribe for more updates on the Pixel 10 series and all things tech.